Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. The essential travel tips are destination for you today. It's the top 20 packing like a pro travel tips for 2025. Packing efficiently can make or break your travel experience. Overpacking leads to heavy, unmanageable luggage, while underpacking may leave you without essentials. The key is to find a balance, bringing everything you need while keeping your bag light and organized. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, mastering smart packing techniques will save you time, space, and hassle. From rolling your clothes to using packing cubes and minimizing bulk, these expert tips will help you pack smarter, stay organized, and travel with ease. Get ready to pack like a pro and make your next trip seamless. Here's your top 20 packing like a pro travel tips for 2025. 1. Make a packing list before you start packing. Write down everything you need based on your destination, weather, and activities. This prevents overpacking or forgetting essentials. Apps like PackPoint or Google Keep can help you create and save lists. 2. Roll your clothes instead of folding. Rolling clothes instead of folding them helps maximize space and prevents deep creases. This technique is especially useful for t-shirts, jeans, and casual wear. For dress shirts and delicate fabrics, folding might be better. 3. Use packing cubes for organization. Packing cubes separate your clothing into categories. This makes unpacking easier and prevents your suitcase from becoming a mess. Compression cubes save even more space. 4. Pack dual-purpose items. Choose items that can be worn in multiple ways. For example, a scarf can be used as an accessory, blanket, or makeshift pillow. Neutral-colored clothing can be mixed and matched to create different outfits with fewer items. 5. Utilize empty spaces. Fill and use spaces like the insides of shoes with socks, chargers, or small accessories. This prevents wasted space and helps keep fragile items protected. 6. Wear your bulkiest items while traveling. If you're bringing a heavy jacket, thick sweater, or boots, wear them on the plane instead of packing them in your suitcase. This frees up valuable luggage space and keeps you warm during chilly flights. 7. Use compression bags for bulky items. Vacuum-sealed compression bags shrink items like jackets and sweaters, making them more compact. Simply roll out the air and pack them flat. This is especially useful for winter travel. 8. Follow the 3-1-1 rule for carry-on liquids. TSA and many international airports require that liquids, gels, and aerosols in your carry-on be in containers of 100 milliliters or less and fit inside a 1-quart clear zip-top bag. 9. Limit shoes to 3 pairs. Shoes take up a lot of space, so stick to 3 versatile pairs. Comfortable walking shoes, dress shoes, or sandals. Activity-specific shoes. Choose shoes that match multiple outfits to reduce how many you bring. 10. Use a toiletry bag with hooks. A hanging toiletry bag is great for small bathrooms or when counter space is limited. It keeps your items organized and easily accessible, whether you're in a hotel, hostel, or Airbnb. 11. Bring a laundry bag for dirty clothes. A simple mesh laundry bag or even a pillowcase helps keep dirty clothes separate from clean ones. If traveling long-term, bring travel detergent sheets for quick hand washing. 12. Pack a multi-port USB charger instead of carrying multiple charging bricks. Use a multi-port USB charger to charge all your devices at once. This is especially useful for international travel, where outlets might be limited. 13. Wrap cables and cords properly. Use cable organizers or wrap them neatly with twist ties to avoid tangles. Store them in a small pouch so you don't waste time digging through your bag. 14. Keep important items in your carry-on. Never pack essentials like medications, passports, electronics, jewelry, or a change of clothes in your checked luggage. If your suitcase gets lost, you'll still have your most important belongings with you. 15. Use travel-size containers for toiletries instead of carrying full-size shampoo and lotion bottles. Transfer them into TSA-approved travel bottles. Look for reusable, leak-proof silicone containers to prevent spills. 16. Pack a lightweight foldable bag. A foldable tote or backpack is great for carrying souvenirs, groceries, or day trip essentials. It also comes in handy if you need extra space on your return flight. 17. Place heavy items at the bottom of your suitcase. Packing heavier items at the bottom keeps your suitcase stable and prevents it from tipping over when upright. 18. Waterproof your liquids and toiletries. Prevent leaks by placing plastic wrap under bottle caps before screwing them closed. Store liquids in Ziploc bags or waterproof pouches to avoid ruining your clothes. 19. Always have a basic first aid kit. A small travel first aid kit with pain relievers, band-aids, motion sickness tablets, and any prescription medications can be a lifesaver, especially in remote locations. 20. Check airline baggage policies before your flight. Every airline has different baggage weight and size limits. Avoid surprise fees by checking luggage policies in advance. Use a portable luggage scale to ensure your suitcase isn't overweight. Have a nice trip.